On the floor of the House on last Thursday during the demands, I had used the word frauds. As far as Goa Foundation was concerned, I would like to withdraw that word that was used against Goa Foundation. I also want to make a categorical statement on the floor of the House that if I have hurt anybody's sentiment with that particular word frauds, I withdraw it on the floor of the House. Most important, as far as they are concerned, they can continue to do what they feel they are doing. But as far as we are concerned as a state, we will continue to approach the Supreme Court and do justice to what the people, right from Kankon to Satri, whatever needs to be done, will be done. In addition, Speaker Sir, I would like to make another point that we are with the people. As a state government, what we feel that we need to fight for the people of the state of Goa, we will do it. That is our stand. It is the government stand. We have to see that we run a very progressive and viable state, and we will put our facts before the appropriate authority. But I once again want to also make a mention and clarification. As far as the architects are concerned, I had said that I would not clear anybody's files. That has to be corrected, Speaker Sir. I am not going to be stopping anybody's files, no architects' files, but the members of the SLC of the Regional Plan 2021 will be blacklisted by the government on any town planning committee, but it is not personal to anyone. Architects' files and everything of the association will continue as of before. Thank